Please,
Yes.
I know
Yes.
you are, otherwise you're well-educated man. You are just fulminating today because I know that you've just joined the
Yes, I'm listening
Samajwadi
to
Party and you want to make sure that they say that you're very
I'm
aggressive
listening
on
to
their
you.
behalf. Congratulations, you're doing
No,
a
please,
fine good job.
I can say such things about your channel as well. This is hitting below the belt.
That's all
I can
right.
say that you have taken money to open this channel. Please don't do this.
Now, I'll tell you one
I don't
thing.
respect this kind of journalism.
Gancham, you know
No, please,
something,
let
you know
us
something,
keep
you know
this-
something,
keep-
you know
keep
something,
this above
Gancham.
board.
I will not let you go on this now. Now tell me, answer my question here. You want to make a damn personal comment out here? Make it. Show me the facts. Come on.
No, I don't want to.
No,
make,
you
started
can't
it.
go back
I-
now.
I'm
You
telling
can't make a comment
let
like
us-
that and
let
try
us
to
not
get away.
get
No,
personal here.
Gancham, you will not make a comment like that and try to
No,
get
I'm
away.
not
Understand
getting
that?
away. I
You
can
will
say-
not make
I-
a loose comment. Prove your facts.
you want to
Prove
reduce
your
this debate
facts.
to this,
Prove your
then
facts
so
right
be
now.
it.
Prove your facts right now.
No,
Prove
I
it
don't
now.
have to.
Prove it now.
I'm
Prove
not
it now.
accusing
Right
you.
now. No, you
I'm
prove it
saying
now.
that-
Prove it now, Gancham. Prove it now. Prove it now.
I'm
Prove
not
it now.
accusing you.
Prove
I
the
am not
comment now.
accusing you.
Prove it now. Prove
I
it
am not
now.
accusing
Come on,
you.
prove it now. Prove it
I am
now.
not accusing you.
Prove your comments now
No,
and
I'm
take
not
it back.
accusing you.
Prove your comments now
I
and
stick
take it
to the
back.
fact that I
Prove
am
your
not
comments
accusing
now
you.
and take it back. Prove or take it back. Prove it or take it back. Prove it or take it back. Prove it or take it back. Because I'm speaking facts. I don't talk gibberish like you. I'm not talking gibberish like you. I'm saying what I'm saying with facts. You're being unable to answer me with facts. You're talking gibberish. So I'm not going to let you get away. Don't try that stunt on me again. Don't try that stunt on me again. Do not try that stunt on me again, Gancham. Do not try that stunt on me again.
That why should our country
Do
not
not
have
try
full-time
that
defense
stunt on me
minister?
again. Do not. Because I'll ask you one
trying any
question,
stunt.
Gancham.
I am not in the
Understand the
business of
facts.
stunt making.
Understand the facts. And don't you ever try to cross the line with me. I'll tell you one thing,
It
Gancham
goes both
Tiwari.
ways, Arnab.
Gancham Tiwari, now listen here.
It goes both ways.
You listen to me now. I have been in journalism for about 10 times longer than you've been in politics. Don't you forget that, A. Secondly, the person you're speaking to, along with his journalists over 10 years, we've broken the biggest scams in this country. C. We have busted politician after politician, exposed them one after the other. 4. We are not part of your Lutein circuit. 5. We have decided here at Republic.
I'm not part of any
we
Lutein
have
circle.
decided, let me tell you, Gancham, now
I'm
you
not
listen
part
to
of
me.
any
Yaar,
Lutein
why
circle.
should only
And
politicians
just
make
like
speeches?
I
Why should politicians only make speeches? Now be quiet,
Arnab,
suniye.
I have
You
said
listen
on
to
your
me now.
channel that
You listen to me
your
now.
career is an
Listen to me.
inspiration to many.
Listen to me.
But that does
Listen
not
to me.
mean
The
that you
relationship
trample other
between a
people's-
politician
other
and a
people's
journalist is
background.
going to be
Your
reversed
career
now,
is an
Gancham
inspiration
Tiwari.
to many,
Gancham
but you
Tiwari.
should not trample other
Gancham
people's
Tiwari, now
background.
listen to me. A relationship between a politician and a journalist will no longer be one of subordinate or obsequiousness. It is one of equal. So listen to me. When I'm talking to eye to eye, and
Well,
speak to
it-
me
it-
with
it is
respect,
empty
and do
rhetoric.
not cross the line
I have
with me.
told you on your
Do
channel
not
that your
cross the
career
line.
is an
I don't give a
inspiration to
damn
many,
for
but
any
that does not
politician.
give you a right
Any
to trample
politician
anybody's
crosses the
background.
line with me, I'll give it back. Understand that? So don't
No,
take
you please
chances.
give it back. Your business.
Yeah, I will give it back.
I don't care.
I will give it
But-
back. Now
but
answer
let
my
us
question.
respect each
You want to
other's
show your
successes
loyalties to
as
your
we
new
have
political
acquired our
bosses.
successes through hard
You
work.
were in the JDU
We
till
have not been
yesterday.
given our
You were in the
successes on a
JDU
platter.
till
We have
yesterday,
acquired our
Gancham
successes on hard
Tiwari.
work. Let us
Gancham
not go into each
Tiwari.
other's background.
Gancham Tiwari, till yesterday you were in the JDU. You are a political turncoat. You change party according to your convenience and you question
Well,
me.
till yesterday
Who
you
the
were
hell
in
are you
Times
to
Now.
question me?
You are a new journalist.
Who the hell are you to
turncoat.
question me? I
This
am
goes-
what I
do you
was
want to
always,
engage
Gancham
on the
Tiwari.
debate on
I am
this?
not a
This is
political
what you
turncoat
were
like
saying?
you. Okay? So don't,
You are
I'm not going to
journalistic
keep my
turncoat.
mouth
It
shut if
goes
you
both
speak
ways.
too much. Understand that? Go and start
No,
your own
I-
political
you
party,
can-
then
you can
talk
say
to
what
me.
you want.
I have
It's your
launched my
channel.
own channel. This is an independent
You can say
channel.
what
It's
you
got
want.
nothing
It
to
is
do
your
and we are
channel.
going to go after people like you.
can
Understand
say
that?
what you want.
And
It
don't
is
you
your
bloody
channel.
dare try to intimidate me at any point of
can-
time because I don't care for people like
can
you.
say what you want.
Enough.
It is your channel.
Enough now. Now listen to me.
You can
Answer
say
my
what
questions.
you want. It is
Answer
your
my
channel.
questions. Yeah, relax.
No,
Relax.
I don't think you have maintained
Relax,
the spirit of this
Gancham
debate. I am not
Tiwari.
going to answer your question.
Relax,
period.
Gancham Tiwari.
No, I'm
I
not
have
going to
dealt
answer your
with
question. I
thousands
don't
of
think
politicians like you.
somewhere in this discussion
I have
you
dealt
lost the
with
spirit of the
thousands of
debate.
politicians
There's no
like
question
you.
here. Please
I have
speak to
dealt
other
with
panelists.
thousands of politicians like you.
Please, I have not dealt. I'm one person. I'm not 1,000 people. I can speak for my voice. I can speak for my conscience. I don't need
So
other
next
people's
time,
certificate.
Gancham, all I'm
Please
telling
speak to
you
other
is this.
panelists. I will respect
All I'm
your
telling you,
studio and
Gancham
sit
Tiwari,
here.
listen to
but
me
I
now.
cannot
First of all,
engage
be
in
quiet
this
for a
kind of
minute.
debate.
All I'm telling you is, next time you speak to a journalist, don't cross the line, Baba. Talk to us with respect. You talk with
I've heard
respect,
you.
you'll be dealt with respect. You cross the line, we'll tear you apart. Understand that?
Well, I don't take
You understand
threats
that?
like this.
No,
I
no,
have
you
lived
speak
a
with
life of
respect, I'll
transparency.
speak to
I've
you with
earned my
respect.
success the hard way, the way you have earned
No,
your success.
no,
Let us
I
respect
don't,
each
I
other's-
don't listen to rubbish
each
like
other's
yours, Isa.
journey in life.
You speak to
right?
me with respect, I'll speak to you
I
with
would
respect.
your studio.
You
Please
cross the
go ahead
line,
and ask your
you
questions to
cross
other
the
panelists.
line,
I
you
think
cross
you've
the
lost-
line
we have
and I
lost
will
the
tear
spirit
you
of this
apart.
debate. I am not coming into
I am
this
not,
debate
I am
right
not
now.
here to listen to rubbish of politicians because I am not obliged to any damn politician, especially not people like you. You are a political novice. You entered politics
It goes both
yesterday. Now
ways.
answer my question.
It goes both
Now
ways.
answer my question. I think
I
Ghanshyam
don't
today,
want to.
I think
I don't
Ghanshyam
want to.
today, you need to understand this. Understand this. You see, Gaurav is laughing out
Arnab,
here
I do
because
not
what is
respond to threats.
evident to everybody today, I think what politicians like Ghanshyam are not used to is that they thought they'll enter politics and be treated like some, big lords. In today's, like some rajas. In today's politics, the problem is people like Ghanshyam entered politics and are realizing, we are going to tear you apart. You try to be smart with us, we'll teach you the real thing, okay? You don't represent the
please tear
country.
me apart.
You
I
don't
have
represent the
worked
country.
voluntarily
Who are you?
after
अरे
my
नेता
education
बन
and
गए
now
अपने
I
आप को
worked
क्या समझ लिया आपने?
voluntarily for 6
क्या
years
समझ लिया
in
आपने
villages.
नेता बन गए आप?
You do not have the guts to tear me apart. Don't say that language.
नेता
You do-
बन
you-
के
you
फौजियों
stand
को
by your
इंसल्ट
conscience,
करते
I
हो,
stand by my
नेता बन के
conscience.
फौजियों
I
को
have not
इंसल्ट
done
करते
anything
हो,
wrong to
स्टूडियो
let
में
me tear me
आके
apart.
उंगली उठाते हो
Why you are
आप,
involved in such a small petty things?
देश के लोगों को
उंगली
इंसल्ट
आप उठा
करते
रहे
हो,
थे भाई
स्टूडियो
साहब।
में आके उंगली उठाते
अर्नब
हो,
जी, आप
बड़े
इतने
नेता
बड़े
बन गए आप,
जर्नलिस्ट हैं,
देश
आप
को
क्यों
क्या
ऐसी बात
समझते हैं
नहीं कर
घनश्याम
रहे हैं?
तिवारी?
उंगली
आप अपने
आप उठा
आप
रहे थे।
नेता लोग अपने आप को क्या समझते हैं?
You can
आपकी
look back
आपकी
at
वो
this debate
आपकी वो
and see who
आपकी
was
इज्जत
raising the
आपके अपने
question.
हाथों में है.
You do not have.
I'm
you might
telling
be a
you very
powerful
clearly
person.
now.
You might be a very
Now,
powerful
by the
person,
way, people
but there
like
is nothing to tear me
Gaurav
apart.
Arya,
I am very powerful
people
in
like
my
Gaurav
conscience.
Arya were in uniform and fighting in Kargil when people like Akhilesh Yadav were frolicking in some C-grade Australian university just because his father had a lot of money to send him. That's the difference between an army officer and someone like Akhilesh. Understand that, Ghanshyam? Get that straight. Understand that? And don't you try to
Well, my
cross the
father
line with
worked
me
for
again.
Indian Air Force. I
Last
don't need
warning to you.
lessons from you
Last
on army
warning to
officer
you,
and Air
Ghanshyam.
Force.
Last
we
warning.
were in bunkers when the
Last
parliament
warning
was
to you,
attacked
Ghanshyam.
and Bardmer
You
was
behave
under
yourself.
security.
You
So
behave
please,
yourself. Otherwise, I don't give a damn. You behave yourself.
Please,
You first behave yourself.
do what you want to do.
You first go and win an election first. Haven't won an election, haven't spent any
All
time
right.
representing people, giving us lectures here on the misbehavior of your political masters. Rubbish. What would you like to say to people like him?
You have, it is your studio.
Out of touch
you
with the
choose
real
the words.
India.
You choose
Absolutely,
the
I
Out
think
of touch
of
with
the
the real
debate.
India.
I think
Arre, speak with some respect,
you
speak
are
slowly.
most respected
Don't talk like
journalist.
that, Ghanshyam. Who the hell do you think you are because you're a neta? Go to the other channels which treat netas
It is your
like,
studio. You
know?
choose the debate.